Hello everyone. For this video, I'm going to show you how to add the floor decking, and the joist. Alright, so to begin, we need to load first the materials that we need for the deckings. And to do that, I need you to go to Insert, and I want you to go to Load Family, and I want you to go into the Profile option. So I want you to go into the profile, this one here. So I want you to double click that, and then I want you to go that says metal deck. So we have here the metal deck, and I want you to select the form deck composite. So I want you to load that. Okay. Alright, so once you load that, I want you now to go to level 2 structural framing planner. And then I want you to select the floor elements. So to select the floor elements, you just need to hover around that slab. So that is your slab that you created. I want you to click edit boundary here. Click that. And then on the floor type here, I want you to select this one here, the 3 inches lightweight concrete. So I want you to click that, and then I want you to go to says edit type, and then I want you to go into the structure edit. All right, so we're going to change this one here to 5.5 inches. All right, and then on row 3, this one here, that is your metal deck. Okay, structural deck in there. I want you to have the profile here, where is the deck profile should be composite 1.5 6 inches. All right, so I want you to select that, and then on the deck usage here, I want you to select the bound layer above. Okay, so again, on the deck profile, okay, on your structural deck, that should be the value. Okay, so again, we change this one first, and then we go into your structural deck. You choose this one, okay, and this one here. All right, and then once you change that, I want you to just click OK. Alrighty, so and then I want you to click OK again, and then make sure that you check the box. Alright. Well, before you check the box, I want you to go into the structural component here. Make sure that you check this one. So make sure that you check that, and it will automatically enable analytical, okay, model. So make sure that you check that. All right, and then click apply in order to apply that to the entire system. All right, so the next thing that we're going to do now is to just click the checkbox now, this one. All right, would you like walls that go up to this floor? And I want you to just go ahead and click yes for now. All right, then well, just cancel it. All right. All right, and then the next things that you have to do now is to load another family. So I want you to go ahead and load it here, and I want you to go into the annotation, and then I want you to go to structural, and I want you to find that says span. This should be included on the directions on your handout as well. So I want you to select the say span direction, this one here. We'll be needing that. So I want you to go ahead and click OK. All right, and it will be added into it. All right, so just override existing if you already have data. All right, so go now into your annotate symbol here. You have here the annotate, and you will see that we have here now your span direction on the options. All right, so I want you to select data and then click the edge of the level 2. So click data, and I want you to click the edge of your level 2 slab. So this one here, I want you to click data, and then just put that somewhere else at the middle. So click data, it will click this one here. Now you need to make sure that the solid arrow, okay, this one here, should be from left to right. So make sure that you have to if you don't have this to be left to right, what you do is just select this one here and make sure that you are going to rotate it. Use the rotate button and make sure that you are going to rotate that to this particular angle, which is 90 degrees. Okay, and then click OK, and notice that you have those now, the directions of your decking. All right, so that is how you add the direction arrows. All right. All right, so we're ready to add the joist into our floor. So again, I'm going to show you the step, and you should be able to do the rest of the other segment of the floor, and you can move on to the roof as well too. So the same step as what you're going to do on level 2 to your roof level. All right, so for the joist, what we need to do is we need to load again pretty much the tag. So I want you to go into the insert tab, and then I want you to go back again into the load family. So I want you to go into annotation, double click that, and I want you to go to structural, and from there I want you to select the structural Bim System. Okay, structural Bim System tag, this one here. Okay, structural Bim System tag. All right, so I want you to open that, override. All right, so in your case you might not have that override, but if ever it pop up the dialog box, you just need to click override. All right, then on the ribbon I want you to go to structural tab. Okay, and on the ribbon I want you to find the structure group, and then we have the Bim System. All right, so I want you to click that, and it will add this option bar here, and I want you to pay attention on the size. So the first one that we are going to add is your joist, so it's 16K5. So take note that you need to change the beam type. We're dealing with the joist, so 16K5, and I want you to justify to the center, and it is a fixed distance, and then I want you to change this to 3 feet distance in each of those joists, and then make sure that we check the 3D. All right, and then walls define slope is checked as well too, and the tag style should be a system. Okay, and then make sure that you select this as well too, the tag placement. All right, there you go. So make it active, and then we're now ready to change several others on the instance. here, I want you to change this value into 2.5. So I want you to go ahead and change that to space 1/2 of an inch. So I changed this one from 0 to 2.5 inch. Okay, and if it's not been clicked yet, I want you to click apply. Okay. All right, so what I want you to do now is I want you to hover your see this one here. I want you to go and pay attention to the direction of the joist. It should be in this direction here, so I want you to click this one. All right, click that one, and it will lay down the joist within that system. All right, and then do also on this one here, but make sure that you are going to change this one into I guess it's 26K9. Okay, so I want you to find 26K9 and then click this one again, and then 16K5 for the next one here. 16K5, going back to this one, and I want you to click this. All right, and also here on this portion here, and this one is 16K5. Okay, all right, so and the rest as well, this one is 16K5. Okay, so we have the 16K5 as well, this one here. All right, and then we have 26K9 on the next one. All right, and can make type K-series bar joist web 16.5. That should not be a problem, so I don't know why delete type. All right, the next is this one here. All right, I want you, or click this one here on this side. I'm wrong with that. It should be 26K9, so I want you to change this to 26K9 and then apply it here. There you go. And then I want you to go this one here. Do we have Bim here? Oh, I forgot to place a Bim here. That's why it won't allows us to add it. All right. However, you can always go back to the Bim. I think it's 24. What was the Bim in there? It's 40 by. What is that one? 40 by 90. All right. I want you to 30 by 90. Alright, I forget to add that one there. Alright, so and then go back again and do the Bim system. Tag 3 inches, and then make sure that you select that. Alright, so that is how you are going to create and add those joists, and you do the same step as the other floor as well, especially on the roof. The same step, and anyway, you have the instructions that I uploaded for the structural system. Alright guys, that is how you add the joists, and once you've done that, you should be able to do the roof plan, the roof framing plan, and you should be done the structural system. Alright.